Hello. In this quick example, we're going to use the standard cases fill window to calculate a couple of packages without any case count. So the first step is to go to the standard cases and palette window, and we go to the cases tab. And here we will add some new boxes. These boxes are taken from a spreadsheet that is linked to the example. We select the spreadsheet, go to the boxes section, copy the area in yellow, and we paste. Now we will have two new boxes, standard boxes that we will use for filling. So we open a new data sheet, start from fill standard cases. And here we will see that the units are in centimeters and kilograms. So for this specific example, our units are in millimeters. Now with the latest version of Quick Pallet Maker, we can add the unit column and that won't be a problem. But for this example, we will first convert to millimeters and kilograms, and then we will paste the data without the unit column. So we select it, copy, and paste here into the primary package table, and we have two different packages. Now we select the box type that we just pasted, the cool box. This is the one, the name of the boxes, so we just pasted them. This is a class. We select them, and we can just calculate. So we go to Tools, we calculate. We will get a message saying that a box couldn't be created. That's because we can expand the options or edit the slack restrictions. In this case, we have slack. We entered 25 millimeters maximum slack. Let's just put a bit more, 250 for the example. And we calculate again. Tools, we calculate. And now we obtain different boxes. We can view the box contents and see how the items are. In this case, this is the box that's called the first type. Okay, the flattish box with the green items. Here's a flattish box with the gray items, and here's the tall box with the green items. For the gray items, for the second box, you need even more slack.